Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Webull Crypto for real-time market tracking step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Webull app icon. Tap on the app icon to launch Webull. If you have not yet created an account, you will need to sign up first. Select the sign up option and follow the prompts to create your account. Once your account is set up, return to the login screen. Enter your registered email address or mobile number. Type in your account password carefully. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. Wait a moment for the app to authenticate your login details. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom of the screen to find the menu options. Select the Crypto tab to access cryptocurrency features. Here, you will find real-time market tracking tools. Explore the various options available for tracking market performance. Feel free to customize your view based on your preferences. Check for any notifications or updates that may be relevant to your account. You are now ready to monitor and trade cryptocurrencies in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.